How to use OneNote for task management and checklists. Treating your project's notebook like a loose paper scratchpad results in action items getting completely buried on the walls of meeting text. When your deadlines are scattered across 20 different pages, you spend more time hunting down tasks than actually completing them. Today, we are opening the latest version of OneNote Desktop to build interactive task checklists and deploy global text summaries to manage your entire workload from a single command screen. Okay, so let's lay down your core action items without slowing your typing momentum. So just click anywhere on your page canvas. Let's open up the notebook. Click anywhere next to a project deliverable sentence, and then press the native keyboard shortcut combination Ctrl+1. All right, there you go, this little circle appeared. And OneNote will instantly inject a interactive to-do checkbox right at the start of that line. So if a task becomes critical, you can just press then Ctrl+2, and this will slap a yellow star important tag right next to the box, visually isolating your high priority targets instantly. And now also let's pull every open task scattered across your entire notebook onto a single page. So just head up to the ribbon menu, which is on the top, and then click on the Home tab and locate the tags group. So it's going to be right over here. Click the Find Tags icon utility button, and a dedicated tags summary navigation pane will slide open on the right side of your screen. Alright guys, on the right here. So don't forget Home, and then press on this button, not this one. And you can move to the base of that panel window, adjust your search scope to look through your entire notebook, and click the button labeled Create Summary Page. So, for example, you can just choose these, and then click on, there you go, and now it's showing your tagged items. It will instantly compile a brand new dedicated dashboard page, pulling every single unchecked box from your sections into a clean master checklist layout. If this rapid task management framework sharpens your daily productivity habits, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below letting me know if you track tasks natively or sync them to Outlook, and subscribe to the channel for more high-performance software guides.